Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to change text display options on Bible Gateway. Open the website BibleGateway.com, then click Login/Sign Up. Now, log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, browse and select a random passage. Now, at the upper left side, you will see a gear icon. Click on the gear icon. Then several options will appear. Click on the tick box beside the option to be displayed in, or under the Bible text. Unchecking the option removes it from the passage. That's how you change text display options on Bible Gateway. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.